How to do email marketing part 2. Make sure you go back and check part 1 first before watching this bit. So once you have got yourself an email opt-in box using an email marketing software, people are opting in and you're triggering an automation. An automation is basically a series of pre-written emails that you're going to write in advance. You write them once, they're done forever. You never have to do anything else again. You stick them in what's called a workflow, i.e. you're basically saying to the system, here's email 1, wait a week, send email 2, wait a week, send email 3. The purpose of these emails is basically to get people ultimately to convert into sales, which is only going to happen if your emails are helpful and they include personality, your style, your voice, getting to know you as a person and sharing helpful bridges to your content and the ways that you can work with them. So first of all, how many emails should you have in a welcome email sequence? Data shows that between 11 to 17 touch points is what takes people from a prospect to a paying customer. Now, it does often take a lot longer than that, so you're gonna have to watch part 3 to know what to do if people don't buy within the first 11 to 17 emails. But in these 11 to 17 emails, you are basically going to pick the top tips that you can possibly give in your topic. And ideally, these are going to be tips that are going to give your email subscribers a really quick win, an outcome, help them get something done, checked off of their to-do list from those emails. And at the bottom of the email, just put a PS. PS first name, here are all of the different ways that I can help you. List a link to book a coaching call with you. Use a platform like Techmatics to be able to book coaching calls with you. Perhaps you have a course, perhaps you have a coaching program, perhaps you have a done for you service. Put links to all of the ways that people can work with you in the PS. This makes you a really cool person because you are being helpful in the email and the option for people to work with you is just a small PS at the bottom. It takes away that salesiness. So you're going to have 11 to 17 of those. It might literally be tip step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, delivered 1 per week, once every few days. Or it could be just random tip of the week, tip of the week, tip of the week. All right, just really helpful top tips that you have in your area of expertise. Once you have completed your 11 to 17 tip emails with a PS in your welcome sequence, finish that sequence off with an outright sale. If there are any people still left, sat on the fence, umming and ahhing, not sure, that final email will be an outright, hey, first name, I hope you found the last 11 tips useful, helpful. Please let me know if you would like to come and join my XYZ service coaching program, book a call with me, I'll see you there. And if you want to get better at email marketing, come and join my email marketing workshops, I'll see you there.